Tucked on the edge of a wildlife sanctuary in peak summer, we're at Tipai for an unforgettable culinary journey in the wild.
Working with OpenFire, you have to build your relationship with it like you would build with a partner. And you have to earn the fire's respect. I mean, for the uninitiated, it can feel very, very hard. And it's a very intuitive way of cooking. It's godlike, you know. It helps you create magic, but not if you're not humble. If you don't bow down before it, then no. But if you let it be the boss, then. Hi, I'm Amninder Sandhu. I'm the founding partner of Dining Experiences at Tipai by Wildlife Luxuries. What I do here is take care of the F&B. We have 4 dining experiences here. One is Perch, which is more like an all-day dining. You know, on arrival, we serve a Maharashtrian thali. Sometimes we do a Punjabi, sometimes we do a South Indian thali. Your breakfast is served here. Then there is Salab Wali, which is more biryani and kebabs experience, which is by the lake. Then we have Wadi, which is in the kitchen garden. So you're sitting in the middle of the kitchen garden, your vegetables growing all around you. We do a more Mediterranean experience there. We also do this activity where our guests learn how to make pizzas and then they settle on the long community table with pumpkins and creepers growing all over.
More. I love it. I love it. I'm having a great time.
Then we have Palash, which is the closest to my heart. It's a 7-course tasting menu. You sit in the middle of the forest surrounded by Palash trees. It's a dinner only 25 seats tasting menu, which is cooked by the women of the village who have no professional training. And we celebrate the produce of the land because the nearest city is 3 hours away, so we can't really run to a grocery store to buy anything. So we grow our own produce and we use that. The menu is focused on seasonality.
But before anything reaches the plate, someone has to know the land the forest stands on. Meet Praful, a man who tends to his plants with luxurious care.
मेरा एक ग्रीन हाउस बनाने का सपना है। वो ग्रीन हाउस मेरा यहाँ पे बन जाएगा तो मैं वेजिटेबल बाहर से खरीदना ही बंद कर दूंगा। सब यहाँ पे ग्रो करके वो सब किचन के लिए देना है मेरे को यहाँ पे। मेरे पास जो है पर्पल कैबेज है, जो कुछ मैं उगाता हूँ वो सब ऑर्गेनिक ही होता है। ओनियन मैं कल निकाल के दिया हूँ तो कम से कम वो 25 केजी अभी निकला है, तो अभी फिर से निकलेगा वो 25 से 30 केजी तक आराम से निकलेगा ओनियन। अभी लॉन्ग बीन्स भी है, वो भी निकलेगी। बारिश के टाइम में पूरा हरा भरा दिखेगा मेरा किचन गार्डन और उसमें पूरे फल फूल से भरा रहेगा। वो पूरा किचन पे चला जाएगा। यहाँ से वो तुरई हो गया, तुरई ऐसे लटका के दिखेगी तो गेस्ट भी आएंगे और बोलेंगे वाह कितना अच्छा है। वो सब्जी मेरे को भी घर लेके जाना है, इसलिए मेरे को भी चाहिए करके बोलते हैं, तो वो सब हम दे देते हैं इसके लिए।
आप गेस्ट को दे देते हैं?
हाँ, गेस्ट को दे देते हैं।
Here, every meal is an experience. After breakfast surrounded by bird calls, we head for a quiet solo high tea by the lake. Before the evening leads up to a 7-course forest feast under the stars by Chef Amninder Sandhu and an incredible team.
नमस्ते, पलाशमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे.
So Palash will be completing 3 years this year. It happened because, when I did Earth, because it was in a city setup in Bandra and I was doing open fire cooking, it was a little restricted. Even though like I had a sand pit and I had my angitis, but there was still more that I wanted to do. And so I had an unfulfilled desire in my heart to do my open fire cooking the right way. And in a forest, you can go bonkers with that, right?
Beyond the absolutely breathtaking atmosphere of wildness, the women from Tipeshwar, led by Chef Amninder Sandhu, transformed the forest into a 7-course tasting menu, using ingredients grown in the resort.
When I came on board at Tipai, a lot of guests used to request for a bush dinner. Like when you're in the wild, you want to sit in the wild and have a meal. So Keyo took me to that spot where Palash is, and he said, let's do a dining experience here, and what do you feel like? And I spoke about it in great clarity. I said it'll be an island kitchen, we'll only have limited seats, and we'll do open fire cooking, it'll be a tasting menu. And he said, yeah, come on, let's do it. that was our meeting, and our next meeting was when Palash was already built. I took him there. We kept the lights off. He got up from his buggy and we switched on the lights and he saw Palash. Because what you feel when you're sitting under the stars in a forest, surrounded by trees, and you only see the flame of the chulas and that pit and the mashals, you can't ever have that in a city. Dining is a multi-sensory experience, and when you cut all of this out and I make you sit in a building, no can. Since Palash is dinner only, but there's a lot of prep that starts in the morning, which means marinating the meats, cooking the ran. There's a course which is the slow cooked ran, which we do it over a jawar bhakri with lal thetsa, slow cooked ran, and then marrow over that. That ran we start it in the morning, sometimes even overnight.
मेरे को भूख लग रही है बस. Thank you,
The
chef.
slow cooked ran.
With a good breeze. Wow, chef.
हड्डियाँ तो नहीं आ गई ना मुंह में,
एक हड्डी.
है ना?
I pay for my dental.
My brother's a dentist, it's free.
Also, just
थोड़ा सा
a
इधर
little.
स्पून जितना आ गया है, just.
Thank you. Also, I realized we directly went to the third course without tasting the second one.
हाँ, bread butter. क्या कौन खाता है?
कौन खाता है?
My cooking. I think it's very bold flavors. It's relatable food, but you will feel that there is effort in it, and the finish is clean. It's just food that's working towards making you happy and touch a deep spot in your heart, remind you of some nostalgia. These are little petit fours. We call them 2 sweet bites. This is a orange barfi underneath, and then chocolate nama, and then orange on top. So this tasting starts with orange and it ends with orange because we are in Nagpur. जैसे महुआ काला जामुन है, हैंड चर्न्ड पिस्ताशियो आइसक्रीम है, सिलबट्टे पे पीसी हुई चटनियाँ हैं. दो 7 कोर्सेज और एकदम प्यार से बनाई हुई चीजें ना.
From a distance, their yellow uniform and orange aprons could be mistaken for flames in the forest. If you look closely, you find Palash.
My team at Palash, they're not professionally trained, so they cook like they're cooking at home, and because it's limited seats, they have the luxury of doing that. If it was a very busy restaurant, if you were doing 600 covers, you can't do that. You have to be fast-paced. But whatever I taught them, they were very consistent, because that's what we struggle with at restaurants is consistency. Like an average lady at Palash has been cooking for 30-35 years in her home. So why we cook with andaz is because of the muscle memory we have in our fingertips. And how do we get that is because of doing something repetitively. They already have that versus a young chef who's probably never cooked at home but only learned professional cooking. It's effortless for them.
मेरा नाम पुष्पा है। यहीं पे 1 किलोमीटर पे मेरा गांव है। वहाँ मैं खेती में काम करती थी, तो जो खाना वो मैं घर पे बनाती थी, भाकरी जो चूल्हे पे होता है वो सब मैं बनाती थी। फिर शेफ ने से पूछा कि आप घर पे कैसे खाना बनाते हो, तो मैंने बोला शेफ हम घर पे क्या सब खाना बनाते हैं सब कुछ। तो फिर शेफ को वो अच्छा लगा, फिर वो पलाश के लिए मुझे चुना। मेरा नाम कोमल है। टिपाई में आने के पहले मैं तो कॉलेज में ही थी, ये मेरा फर्स्ट जॉब है। तो यहाँ के आने के बाद ही मतलब गेस्ट के साथ कैसे बात करना है इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, लेकिन अभी काम करते करते गेस्ट के साथ कैसे नॉर्मली बात करना है तो सारी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ चुका है।
Perhaps luxury isn't a spectacle. Perhaps it's a flame, tended quietly until it becomes a meal. Perhaps it's just the necessary, done with intention and care.
When I used to cook in the sandpit, I used to always think that one day I will dig up the ground and I will cook in it. You know, and at Palash I could do that.
You really spoke it into existence then, yes.
I think so. I didn't know I could do it. I would have spoken into some Rolls Royce also.
Chef, you can always start now.
Yeah, I know.